But really, is there anything really wrong with this wallet? Right here. This is the Get Set Gear. This is the Bruce Minimalist Slim Wallet. No bag, but we do have this OPP bag. So open it and take a look. This is the whiskey color, but also comes in natural and black. It's a very diminutive logo right here on the bottom, which I kind of like. I think it's fine that makers put their mark somewhere. I just don't like it to be over the entire thing. Let's take a look at the sewing, which we like to do. Nicely done right there. So come down. Again, reinforced. You can see how this comes all the way through these several layers. Let's just take a quick look on the inside here, if I can manage it. All right. Nice flesh side. Well, you know what's coming.
So why is this wallet called Bruce? Well, keep on watching.
Feature review. On the back, we have an card slit. I call that a slit, not really a slot, because you can see that your finger comes through into the back. Capacity of 1 card, maybe 2. We come around to the front, and we do have the security strap, which holds the flap for this wallet in place. Now, if we open this up, we have internal cash function right here. So this can work both as a cash wrap, where the cash comes over, or you can fold it once and just set it in there and put the flap over the way you like. There is one. Looks like there's 2, but there really is just 1 card slot right here. Capacity of 5 to 7 cards. And we have a nice little access for your thumb and finger to get that, pull it out. So, not too bad. It measures 3.8 by 3.2 by 0.2, and it weighs 31 grams or 1.1 ounces of leather goodness.
Now, I'm not sure if the Bruce we're talking about would actually carry a wallet like this, but he certainly makes many feel more comfortable about carrying tools on a belt.
You notice I got 5 cards in there. We got 1 on the back and 4 in the internal slot right here. I did put 5 slips of cash in here in a cash fold method. You can also do this by just folding them once and putting them in like this. And then that frees up, just makes it not a cash wrap. It does make it a little bit thicker, but the point I wanted to make here is that I did pull out the euro and the yen. They are too tall. Now, the maker, he does make a wallet that is wider, that can actually handle these wider or taller currencies if you want to put them in. And so that was more of just a point to show you. But if you use currencies that are around US, Canadian, Australian, Indian rupees, for example, Bank of England 10-pounder, then you are in good shape. The company does recommend up to 7 cards, so we're not really too far off from that in what it can handle. This is designed and made in the United States. It's made from a Butero veg tan leather from the Walletopia tannery in Italy. The thread is a Rizza tiger thread, which is very strong, braided polyester, which is fray resistant, all saddle stitched by hand, and you can really see that work along here, which is really nice. The edges have a nice finish on them. You can see here, just done just enough, not super shiny, but you know it's been burnished. And one thing to notice is the leather leveling that goes on here. So you will notice that this strap comes across, doesn't actually add another layer of leather. You'll notice that the layer underneath it stops here, picks up here, so it is the same layer that it fits into instead of on top up. Again, little details that help prevent the bulk of a wallet, and it gives it a really nice look. And in good wallets, we can see that we have the tear-resistant holes that are right in here, just enough to make sure that we don't have any concerns. The price on this particular wallet, drum roll please, 60 bucks. Very manageable. Like similar wallets of this design, it's efficient and functional, and there are wallets that do and don't have the security strap, and I believe that's a personal preference. As the day-to-day use in your pocket will form the leather, it'll keep the top flap down anyway as it forms your body through heat and utilization, but it does provide a level of mental well-being to know that all your things in here are strapped in and they are going nowhere. But really, is there anything really wrong with this wallet? The weight of the leather is near perfect to not be flimsy, but to not add unnecessary bulk, like what we talked about here with this notch. And it really is pretty thin to start with.
A nicely built wallet with longevity and quality in mind, just like our friend Bruce Wayne, aka Batman. Now on to the final score.
For quality of 5, price of 3, features of 3, usability of 3, and perception of 4. That gives us a fine score, 4 out of 5.
If you like this design, then watch this video next, and we'll see you in the next review. Sayonara.